Ayasha, Ayasha. Hello in the Naga indigenous language of Burma as we continue to move in a westerly, generally westerly direction around this beautiful planet, for now using the Google Earth Indigenous Languages app. Totally amazing. Check it out. I'll put a link down below. Taking that sacred pause with me, coming back to our senses, feeling this divine flow that is accessible always here and now, through the breath, through the energy in our body, through our senses. Feels so good when you really get into it. It's like this always available reset. It's a great habit. So yesterday, I was kind of, I liked what I had to say about nature-based community, and I ended by just suggesting that we gather wherever we are in small groups, share what we love about the natural world around us, and connect with each other that way. And I want to reemphasize, I believe that is the foundation. And of course, it's heart-based. We wouldn't be doing this if we didn't have deep love in our hearts, and we didn't want to learn how to really get along with our fellow humans. So that's the foundation. But I was almost going to title the talk, "The Joy of Community." And I want to put out that joy is like accessing our joy it's kind of a rebellion. It's saying, I don't buy into this fear-based dominant paradigm and message that I've been fed over and over again since I was a child, and I see it on the news. This isn't to say that bad shit doesn't happen. Of course it does. But where is our attention? Where do we come back to? And, that is another thing that I'm continuing to hammer away. So if this basis of this foundation of nature-based community is where I rock and roll from experience, where I just see through indigenous wisdom. This is our origin, and how we operate here on Earth in an optimal way. That that nature-based community is full of joy. It's full of art. It's full of play. It's full of music. It's full of singing. It's full of poetry. And there's a direct sensual relationship with the plants and animals. One of the beautiful things that has emerged out of kind of the Western ecological movement is permaculture. So right on. Let's do a lot more permaculture. But we don't have to go run towards an eco-village to do this. We can start this anywhere we are, including the city. There's an Australian woman named Claire Nunn who really goes into this in detail. So if you're an urban listener, I recommend you check her out. Yeah, last thing is that the graphic at the bottom of the description, is always my go-to. This is our blueprint. So we can practice one of those medicines, one of those original practices, or we can do them all, like in a Wild Earth Intensive. So anyway, it's great to be with you today, and yeah, this isn't only the Slowdown channel, but it's also the Joy channel.